Well, I'm out here this morning, and hopefully I'm going to get to throw the drone up and shoot the launch here. But as you can see over my head, it's still a little foggy. The sun is trying to peek through right here, but we'll see. We got a half hour. Got a half an hour until the launch, so it's clearing up. It's a little cold and damp out here, but it might work. And there it is. Watch live SpaceX launch, and let's see where we're at. Well, it certainly is beautiful over at the Cape. Well, good. They've got it down to 52 minutes. We may actually have a shot at this. We got about 40 minutes to go out here, and it's still foggy, but we may have a shot. Depends on how fast this fog burns off. Well, it's about 25 minutes to the launch and the fog has cleared. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can't put the drone up back here and see if we can see the rocket go up about 25-30 miles away. Well, there's the Mavic 2 zoom, and I guess in about 10-15 minutes I'll go set it up outside.
The GPS spacecraft finished transitioning to internal power at about T-minus 15 minutes before launch.
Well, it looks like they got a hold here at about 7 minutes. So we'll come back once the countdown starts again and see what happens. Well, they just told me that the launch is scrubbed today, and they're going to try again tomorrow. So we'll pick this up where we left off tomorrow. Okay, looks like the launch is going to go off this morning, unless they have some kind of a mechanical malfunction. So this is the fifth launch attempt for this thing. I think they actually only got the rocket fueled up twice. I think 3 of them were just called flat out for bad weather. But It's gorgeous out here. Last time I looked, we got less than 15 minutes for the launch. I'm ready. It's chilly, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we've got about 10 minutes left before the launch, so I think I'm going to fire up the drone just to make sure that it works okay, and we don't have any surprises or updates when it comes time to actually fly. So, launching the GorPro app. It's connected, and it says that it recognizes it as a zoom. No compass problems. Everything looks fine. Focus the camera. And let's just lift it off just to make sure everything works. Okay, guess we're ready to go. See you in a few minutes.
Tracking away from Falcon 9 to provide a clearance for the Falcon 9's liftoff. Now, we're also currently finishing propellant load on the rocket. Falcon 9 used a refined form of kerosene called fuel and super
I'm watching the SpaceX feed on my cell phone out here while I'm doing this, so I have an idea of when this is going to happen. There's T-minus 4 minutes, so I'm going to get ready to put the drone up right now. I think that this feed may be delayed by about 30 seconds because it's from YouTube, so I want to make sure that I'm up there. So here we go.
T-minus 2 minutes, respectively. So, with Falcon 9 now moving into the final stages of terminal count, the vehicle remains in good health. About 60 seconds before liftoff, you'll hear final announcement that Falcon 9 is in startup. That'll mean that the rocket has switched to its internal flight computers and they will be autonomously controlling the launch countdown.
And we'll go up to about 50 feet, should be high enough. Well, maybe 60, 65 feet. There you go. Okay. So I am above the trees, and now I'm going to check on the map to see if I am pointed towards the launch facility, which is right out there, and it looks like I'm pretty close. Okay, so we'll go back to this, and let's zoom in.
Stage 2 locks load closed out.
Focus. And let's see, we now have 1 minute 52 seconds.
Internal power.
Gorgeous morning up here. It's beautiful. Great visibility. To move the drone around, it's so stable. Have to move the drone around just to make sure that its picture hasn't locked up. Closure looks good. There we go. I'm going to view the sky here. And now we'll just wait. And we are at 1 minute and 6 seconds. And there's my drone sitting up there.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
Okay, 50 seconds.
This is the mission director. Go for launch.
So far, so good. I may be 30 seconds behind the count, so we'll look and see if we see
Gas
some.
closeouts are complete.
15 seconds according to them.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. Very pleasant to be with us.
Everything on the screw yet.
And here we go. We've had a successful liftoff of the Falcon 9 vehicle carrying the GPS-3 space vehicle.
Well, I don't know if I got it or not. Look over here. Jesus, there it is. I wasn't even looking at it. There it is. I can't believe I'm going in the wrong direction.
These are the strongest loads the vehicle experiences during liftoff. At this point now, it's just easy acceleration to our desired transport orbit. All is looking good with the stage 1 trajectory and maximum aerodynamic pressure. Now we'll have a very busy next 90 seconds. We have 3 events coming up: main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start number 1. That first event, main engine cutoff, or MECO, is where all of the 9 rolling 1D engines you see roaring right now on the screen on our Falcon 9 first stage are going to shut down. This is then followed by stage separation, or the separation of our first and second stages. And finally, the second engine start, where our MVAC, our Merlin factory engine, on the second stage engine lights up.
There goes the second stage.
Pump cold liquid oxygen through the plumbing of the MVAC engine to prepare it for ignition, just like we did with the Merlin 1D engines before liftoff. And just a reminder, we're not going to be recovering at first stage. So after stage separation, we'll be providing no views of that first stage, only the second stage and the payload.
And now I'm just beginning to hear the rumble from the takeoff.
Those 3 events are going to occur in the next 10 seconds.
Okay, that's about all we're going to see with the drone, so I'm going to go ahead and land the drone.
Be good. Stage separation confirmed. Alright, this is great. We had a successful MECO, stage separation, and SCS-1. Our next immediate milestone is the area deployment. We're going to expose the GPS-3 satellite to the vacuum of space. Plus 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
And there we go. We'll see how it turned out. You know, I thought this was going to be easy, but I learned a lot about the Mavic 2 zoom and how narrow that field of view is when you're zoomed all the way in. I aimed the drone at where I thought the Space Center was. And had I had the drone zoomed completely out with a wider field of view, I would not have missed the launch off to the left. But the field of view was much narrower than I thought, and I was just off to the right a little bit. And of course, standing on the ground behind the trees, I couldn't see the sky and see where it was. So I heard the launch going off, and I was listening on the YouTube stream, and I'm looking through the screen of what the drone is seeing, and I'm saying to myself, it's got to be there. I'm pointed in that direction, and I guess it's just too far away and the drone can't see it. And as you saw in the video, it wasn't until the thing was 30 seconds or plus into the launch that I actually decided to start looking around, and sure enough, there it was. So I learned something. It was an adventure, as most of these things are. I'm going to do it again, and next time I do it, I know how to put the drone up. I know to leave the drone zoom out until I see the rocket and then zoom in on it, and we'll see if it doesn't come out much better. Anyway, thanks as usual for tuning in. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, and please leave me some comments so I know that somebody's watching. Until the next time, go play with your drone. Have a great day. Bye.